Hi everyone, this is your friend Deepak Kumar and I hope you all are doing well. As we always came with the innovative and creative project, today also we came with our one of the most innovative project, that is TechnoWallE. TechnoWallE is a multi-purpose robot and I hope you will enjoy its performance. Let's test it out. Look right. Look front. Look left. Look front. Move your hand. Give your introduction.
Command initiated. Hi, welcome to Technominds Robotics Club. I am TechnoWallE, the robot. I am multi-purpose robot. Memory 2 GB. Processor Adreno Mega 2560. Speed 328 MHz. Thank you.
Play meditation song.